Did you know that the number of women and girls who died each year from childbirth and pregnancy complications fell by almost half between 1990 and 2015? And why am I telling you this? In general, this figure shows that maternal mortality dropped substantially between 1990 and 2015, demonstrating the progress of every region in the world in the prevention of childbirth and pregnancy complications. Let's take a closer look at some complications that can occur at any time during pregnancy and childbirth, leading to maternal death worldwide. This is a major problem taking into account that these results suggest that indirect situations are the major causes of maternal death, with that 28% of the causes, which means that pregnancy tends to aggravate pre-existing medical conditions. Moreover, hemorrhage is the second major cause of maternal death, with a 27%, and abortion takes 8% of the causes of maternal death, which can increase because about half of unplanned pregnancies are ended by abortion, 1.3 million each year. Can you imagine that? I should point out that maternal death is an actual problem that involves the life of the mother, the baby, and also the father. I want to emphasize that everyday situations such as unwanted pregnancy, social pressure, and health complications are the major causes of the worldwide death rates that we just saw. So you may ask yourself now, and what could be a solution at short, mid, and long term for this problem? Now let's put that into perspective. According to Katarina Lee, ectogenesis is the process of creating an environment that will simulate that of a womb, in which a human fetus can develop. This is a method that allows a fetus that initially was taken out of a woman's uterus by cesarean section to keep growing up in normal conditions. Afterward, the baby is placed in a container in which he will be absorbing amniotic fluid, and the fetus will be growing up until being transferred outside the container. So, if ectogenesis becomes an affordable solution, the rates of maternal death are going to decrease because of the efficiency to prevent health complications with pregnancy and childbirth. In fact, ectogenesis can cause some consequences around medicine, bioethics, and reproductive politics, whereas it can be the key to open every gender line that has been founded across years in our society. The main point of the use of artificial wombs is the idea of making progress as society by using the new advanced mechanisms that science and medicine are creating. Thank you.